Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Curvi Yogi. I am Jakita, and today we are going to go through a 15-minute yoga flow for stress relief. So we're just going to breathe some stress away and do a very gentle movement practice. So all you need today is yourself and your mat. So grab those things and we'll go ahead and get started. So we are going to start in a bound angle position. So you can bring the bottoms of your feet together and then allow your knees to fall out to the sides. And then your feet are going to kind of peel open like a book. So the sides of your feet are going to be connected here. And then you can rest your hands on your knees and then just sit tall. Press down as you lift the chest up. Lift the shoulders up towards your ears, down and back. Relax them there. And reaching through the crown of the head. And then we're just going to start with 3 breaths. So we're going to do a 3-part breath here. So bring in one hand to your chest, one hand to your belly. And this is just to feel the movement of the breath through your body. So we're going to start with breathing into the belly first. And then you'll breathe up through the rib cage, and you'll pause, and you'll breathe up through the chest. Finally, you'll pause at the top of the breath, and then you'll exhale the same way that you came, or the opposite way that you came down. So you'll exhale with the chest, the rib cage, and the belly. So sitting tall, let's inhale into the belly as the belly expands into your hand. Pause. Inhale up through the rib cage, pause, and then inhale up through the chest as the chest rises into your hands. Pause at the top of the breath, and then exhale, chest falls, rib cage deflates, and belly comes in. We're going to do that 3 times. So let's inhale into the belly first, pause, inhale up through the ribs, pause, inhale up into the chest, pause, and then exhale, chest, ribs, belly. 2 more times. Inhale into the belly, pause, inhale up through the ribs, pause. Last inhale up into the chest, pause at the top of the breath, and then exhale, chest falls, rib cage, belly. Last round. Inhale into the belly, pause, inhale up through the ribs, pause. Finally up into the chest, pause, and then exhale, chest, ribs, belly. And you can rest your hands on your knees. Take a deep breath in and out. And then we're going to extend our legs out. So we're still in a wide stance. Heels are down into the mat, toes are reaching up. And we're just gonna go into some side bends here. So you can think about keeping your left hand down with the left arm and reaching that right arm up. And so we're gonna inhale here, exhale as you extend that right arm over towards the left and reach that left hand down towards the left foot. And then inhale, dragging that left hand back, reaching the right arm up. We're going to do that again. Exhale, coming over to the left side. Inhale, reaching the arm up, bringing the left hand back towards the thigh. Exhale, reaching the left hand back towards the foot, reaching the right arm over. You can look under your right shoulder. Inhale, coming up one more time. Exhale. And then inhale once you get up. Exhale, bringing that right arm down. We're going to switch to the other side. This time, right hand stays down. You're going to bring that left arm up And then inhale here. Exhale as you slide that right hand down towards the foot, reaching the left arm over, looking under the left shoulder. Inhale, sliding the right hand back towards the thigh, reaching the left arm up. Exhale, coming back over towards the right. Inhale, reaching back up. Exhale. One more time, inhale as you reach that left arm up. Exhale, over to the right one more time. Inhale as you sit up. Exhale, bringing that left hand down. And then from here, you're gonna bring your hands behind you and plant them on the mat. And then you're gonna bend your knees and place the feet on the mat. And you can place the feet about a little bit wider than your shoulders. So we're just gonna come into some windshield wiper motions here. So knees will fall over to the right. So that left knee comes down to the mat, right knee comes down. And it may not come all the way down, that's okay. And then we're coming back through center and coming to the left side. We're just gonna do that 3 more times. And then if you want to add the breath in, you can inhale as you come through center, exhale as you go over to the right. Inhale, coming up through center, over to the left. One more time, inhale up through center, over to the right. Inhale through center, over to the left. This time we're going to come over and stay to the right. And we're just going to turn the upper body to face the right side of the room. So you're looking forward. So kind of like a little bit of a pigeon pose, kind of. Take a deep breath in and out. One more breath in and out, feeling that stretch right in that left hip. And then straighten that left leg, and you're just gonna bring it underneath. So we're in a full pigeon pose, so that left knee is down on the mat. Inhale. Exhale. And then from here, you can come into a quad stretch if you like. So you're gonna lift that back foot, reach back and see if you can grab that left foot. And feel that in the inner, not the inner, the front of the left thigh. And release. We're gonna rebend this left knee. And we're gonna come back into our windshield wiper. So turning back to face the long edge of the mat, bringing the knees up, inhale. Exhale as the knees come over to the left. Inhale. Exhale, knees go over to the right. Inhale through center. Exhale, knees to the left. Inhale through center. Exhale, knees to the right. Inhale through center. Exhale, knees to the left. Inhale. Exhale, knees to the right. This time we're staying over to the left. Just like we do the other side. You're just gonna bring your upper body to face the left side of the room. Take a deep breath in and out. Feeling that stretch again in that right hip. Inhale. Exhale. And then you're going to extend that right leg out. And we're going to bring it onto the mat so that the right knee is down on the mat, coming into a full pigeon pose. Deep breath in and out. Optional here if you want to try to come into that quad stretch, reaching back and grabbing that right foot, pulling it in towards the body as you feel the front of the thigh, that quad stretch there. And release. We're going to rebend that right knee. And then come back to center. And sit for a breath. Inhale. And exhale. So we're going to come over to table pose. Just being mindful of the shoulders being over the wrist and the hips over the knees. We're gonna do 3 rounds of cat and cow here. So let's inhale, lowering the belly down towards the mat. Chest pulls forward, gazes forward. And then exhale as you curl the back towards the ceiling. Chin comes to your chest, pressing the floor away. 2 more times, inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Coming back to our table, I'm just going to walk my hands forward so that I can come and lie flat on the belly. Hands can be beside your chest or your rib cage. Tops of the feet are down on the mat. We're going to come into 3 rounds of Cobra. So lift your shoulders up and back. And then inhale as you lift the chest. You can come up as far as you like. Maybe you start small, lifting a little bit, and then exhale as you come back down to the mat. Inhale, lifting the chest. Maybe you come a little higher this time. Exhale down. Last round, inhale. Maybe you lift up all the way. Exhale, coming down. And then bringing your left hand in front, the left forearm in front, bending that right leg. You can reach back and grab for the right foot. Just stretching out the quad once more, pulling that foot towards you. You start to feel that stretch in the quad in the front of the thigh. If you want to lift that knee, you can. That's optional. Deep breath in and out. One more breath in and out. And then release. Bringing the hands back beside your chest or beside the rib cage. We're coming back to our 3 rounds of Cobra. So shoulders up and back. Inhale as you lift. Exhale, coming down. Inhale. Maybe you lift a little more. Exhale down. Inhale. Maybe you come up all the way this time. Straightening the arms. Exhale, coming down. And this time we're bringing the right forearm in front. Bending the left leg. Reach back and grab for the left foot. Pulling that foot towards you as you feel the front of the thigh stretching out a little bit. You can stay here or you can lift that left knee. That's up to you. Inhale here. and exhale. One more time, inhale and exhale. Release. Bringing the hands to the chest for one more round of Cobra. Let's inhale, lifting the chest. And exhale as you come down to the mat. And we're just going to end here. You can bring the forearms in front, stacking the hands. And you can bring your head down towards your hands. And we're just going to take 3 breaths here. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. And you can stay here in this position for as long as you'd like. Taking full, deep breaths. Thanks for joining me for our stress relieving yoga flow today. I hope that you were able to find something that works for you, something that helps you to calm and ease your mind in stressful times. And you can come back to this video whenever you need it. I'll see you all soon in my next video.